Hi, this is Ian from Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be going over the Annual Preventative Maintenance Kit for the 2540EK. This kit comes with a door gasket. The door gasket is in the annual. However, if you are doing back-to-back cycles, you might need to change this more frequently. The next thing it comes with is a single chamber bright packet. Chamber bright should be being used every week. This helps keep the valves, the chamber, and the reservoir clean. It comes with new plungers and stems for your valves, as well as a safety release valve, which is located in the reservoir, and the air jet valve. These kits come with a preventative maintenance guide, which helps explain how to change these parts out. If you have any issues, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.